Hello guys, welcome to interesting video. As you know, year 2025 is luckiest year for Pakistan. There is one more interesting thing happens today. So let's go. Pakistan has made history again, but this time not on the battlefield, not in the diplomacy, but in the skies above the United Kingdom at Royal International Air Tattoo 2025. The Pakistan Air Force has stunned the world. Two of its pride aircraft, the JF-17C Thunder and the legendary C-130, have returned home with international honors. Let's dive into this proud moment. First, talk about RIAT. What is RIAT? The Royal International Air Tattoo, or RIAT, is the world's largest military air show, held annually at RAF Fairford in UK. It brings together air forces from across the globe for celebration of aviation, technology, and aerial precision. Each year, the best of the best showcase their technology, formation, and flight capability. Winning at RIAT means gaining international respect in aviation circles. And this year, Pakistan made a serious statement. Pakistan Air Force, or PAF, has long been admired for its professionalism, agility, and innovation. With limited resources, it has managed to build a highly capable, battle-ready air force. From maintaining nuclear deterrence to counter-terrorism operations, Pakistan Air Force is known for efficiency. Now at RIAT 2025, it's become a symbol of excellence in military aviation. The star of the show, JF-17C Block 3 Thunder, Pakistan's homegrown multi-role fighter co-developed with China. This later version features AESA radar, advanced avionics, and long-range BVR missiles. At RIAT, the Thunder wowed spectators with its agility and roaring flyby. But it was not just the flying. It was also a logistic. The aircraft flew non-stop from Pakistan to UK using aerial refueling, a rare feat that impressed even NATO allies. This trophy is given for outstanding contribution and performance, and Pakistan was up against dozens of other high-tech aircraft from the world: US, UK, Germany, Japan, and more. Another surprise entry was Pakistan Air Force iconic C-130 Hercules, painted in a stunning heritage livery. It was not just a transport plane, it was a floating museum. It bagged the Concours d'Elegance Trophy, award for the most elegant and well-presented static display aircraft. It showcased not just aviation, but Pakistan culture and pride. Let's talk about global reaction and media buzz. Media from the UK, Europe, and Asia covered the win. Aviation forms of Reddit, military blogs, and news outlets praised the professionalism of Pakistan Air Force. Comment like "Pakistan stole the show" and "unexpected but well deserved" flooded social media. Even UK and US veterans commented on the aircraft elegancy and execution. What does this mean for Pakistan? These wins are more than just trophies. They show that Pakistan can compete with world power of equal footing through technology, discipline, and creativity. This also boosts the image of Pakistan Air Force globally and strengthens defense diplomacy, opening the door for more international partnership for tech exchange. In the world dominated by giants, Pakistan's performance at RIAT proves one thing: you don't need to be the biggest to be the best. The JF-17 and C-130 may have wings of steel, but what really powered them was the heart of a nation. If you are proud of this achievement, like this video, drop a comment, say Pakistan Zindabad, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates from global air shows. Pakistan defends the world. So subscribe.